Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see useful ChatGPT tips and tricks. ChatGPT are introducing bunch of new features, so we can discuss all of the new features in this video one by one. So now let's start as a demonstration on laptop screen. So now let's start demonstration. First of all, you need to open your ChatGPT account. So first feature, we will see how to split PDF. As a demonstration point of view, this is a PDF file and 4-page PDF file is this. I want split as a two different files, like a page 1 to 2, and so it's very simple process. First of all, you need to upload this PDF in your location. So I upload this file and just simply raise the question, split this PDF page 1 and page 2. And just raise the question and look at this here. I can split the PDF into two separate pages for you. Let's process to provide each page as a separate file. Wait couple of seconds. PDF has successfully saved in page 1 and page 2. So I download page 1 and open. So look at this, just only page 1 is a split and next one is a page 2, and the PDF file is a 4-page. I provide the instruction page 1 and page 2 split. So suppose for example 100-page PDF is available, so you can split very easily page 50 to 65 and page 75 to 85. So both two chunks page automatically split. Rest of files is as it is, but we can receive two types of bunch. This is the beauty of the ChatGPT. So now I will show you how to combine two PDFs. So first of all, we need to upload here the PDF resume 1, resume 2, and we can raise here the question, combine both PDF in one file and raise the question. Wait couple of seconds. So this feature is very important for you because of if you are a researcher, it's very helpful to combine or chapter wise dissertation using the ChatGPT and the all data stored in your account. So this one is a secure compared to other platform. Download here the file. I just open and look at this here in the screen, page 1 to 6 pages coming here. After 2 page, again my second resume is display here. One more thing, we can convert as a PDF to Word format using ChatGPT. So I just simply upload here again my same resume here and raise the question, convert this file as PDF to Word format, and wait couple of seconds. The ChatGPT is convert as it is a PDF file to Word format. Next one here, creating an image. You can create image like a create image for my presentation. You raise the question and then ChatGPT are creating image or systematically answer providing to you. Here summarize the text, especially no need to ask anything the question, you just simply summarize, and after that you can put it your entire paragraph and the ChatGPT are summarize entire paragraph with the picture as a canva available. If you use here help me to code related question, you can raise here and after that you receive 100% accuracy related on the code. If you open here directly on the ChatGPT, ask here the specific question, so ChatGPT first of all understand which types of question and which types of domain you are put it there. But if you asking code related question, so you click here code and after that you can raise your coding related problem, so ChatGPT can understand which domain you want needed. Accordingly the ChatGPT extract the data and providing you the answer here. So make sure which types of question and which types of domain you are asking them. Surprise for me if you ask the ChatGPT day-to-day multiple instruction providing them, so ChatGPT can learn and ChatGPT decide which types of human being asking the question. For me, the specific username password, this is a person. Accordingly the ChatGPT are surprising you which types of human being you are. Make a plan, so get promotional plan if you working as a software engineer, so accordingly you decide how to improve your skill day-to-day activities and how to reach like in a director level. Make a plan. ChatGPT are providing some of the instruction, and here the more options also are available here. Analyze the data, make a plan and brainstorming. So you make sure which domain you want, raise the question accordingly. First of all select this one and then raise your specific question, so ChatGPT can providing you 100% accuracy related answer. So this is some of the fundamental new features the ChatGPT are introducing last couple of months. So that point of view I'm making this video. If you really like this video, so please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.